I'm back, and this time my daughter's on the other side, and as she reads, we're going to see if I can match what she's reading with all these products that came out of the box. So this is the, what was the name of it? I've already...
Creative Notion
June
subscription,
box.
June 2025.
Yeah, we're still on Creative Notion. I know that. June box. It's got pink paper. That's why it's making so much noise. Sorry.
Why you're making so much noise?
Blame it on the tissue paper.
Okay, why I'm making so much noise.
Oh, there she goes again.
All right, go ahead. Say what you got to say, and then I'll go from there.
Welcome to our June edition of the Creative Notion subscription box. Get ready to fall head over heels for the delightful projects we've handpicked for you. As summer bathes us in sunshine, sorry.
We have sunshine outside.
Today.
Today's going to be nice. It's going to be
79, I know.
And this is the month of March, just so you know. Go ahead.
Those radiant sunflowers are gearing up for their grand debut. Carol Thielen wows us once more with a stunning sunflower quilt, Sunflower Serenade, bursting with yellows, greens, and browns. You'll be racing to finish this masterpiece before those golden blooms take center stage.
All right, let me show the pattern of what she just mentioned so we can keep up with it.
Sunflower Serenade.
Oh, that sunflower is absolutely beautiful. I'm telling you right now. I want you to see this. It is so gorgeous. My hand doesn't want to work. Look at that picture right there. Is that not beautiful? And she tells you how to build it, so it is not hard. I know you look at the finished product and a lot of the new people will go, oh my gosh, that's so hard. It's not. You take one at a time, one row, and before you know it, the whole thing's put together. Okay? All right, go ahead, Sherry.
Add a splash of joy to your table or dresser with a bright and colorful table runner, Rainbow Burst, crafted from Moda's Mini Charm Squares. It's a surefire way to brighten up any room.
All right, let me get I'm sure the pattern that's in here. All right, let's open it up so y'all can see it. I don't really have a finished product of it.
It's not on another piece of paper?
No, this is all that came in it, so it's showing it here. Oh, here it is. So this is it down at the bottom, down there. And here is your fabric for it. All these little colors right here of the rainbow. And then you have pink. And you have this pretty white with the big old flowers.
It's a white on white. Oh my gosh, look, it has little,
yeah, flowers with stems.
I don't know what kind of flowers.
Okay, so let's take a minute. No, let me go ahead and show you the fabric that came with Carol's. And look at this.
That's Sunflower Serenade?
And that is perfect.
Yeah,
look at that.
That's very nice.
So that's the orange. The green is the same design as that orange was.
You know what those colors remind me of? The green, the yellow, the darker yellow, the browns.
The brown is that same design as the first two. And then this is a, what would you call that color?
Taupe.
Yep. Look. Okay, and this, well, it's not exactly like the yellow though, but those are pretty colors. Go ahead.
What are you doing?
That was the colors for Carol's.
Yeah, it reminds me of 70s clothing.
Oh.
The colors.
Uh-huh.
I don't know why.
Okay. All right, next.
Okay, Garden of Sunshine. In Garden of Sunshine, Bridget at Miss B's Design Hive has once again delighted us with her beautiful row-by-row quilt. The charming shoe fly and strawberry rose are simply perfect for our summer garden theme. I hope you're all stitching along as she unveils these lovely rows.
There's the shoe fly and the strawberry. It's got a heart.
Strawberry blocks. The
Yep.
strawberries.
There you go.
Oh.
Make sure it's in there.
Oh, now I see. Okay.
Yes, it's building.
I see that now.
Building on itself.
I did
yes.
not know that.
Mm-hmm.
I just thought they didn't know what the next one was going to be. Oh.
Oh, no.
And for those pesky quilt mishaps, we've got Grandma's Secret Spot Remover. We're not sure what magic potion Grandma cooked up, but it works wonders on quilt boo-boos. Oh, there it is. And at last, missing fabric. We've included an extra 1/3 yard of green fabric to complete your flower power quilt. On the paper, it says from May 2025's subscription box. However, on the green fabric, it says April of 2025.
So it's in the April because if you just watched the last video, that was the April box, and this is the green fabric.
So it should be April of 2025.
Yes. And then we have,
Oh, and then,
wait a minute, did it mention this? Anywhere on that?
no, I read the whole paper.
Okay,
So
and
you
so,
got a treat.
yes, we have a treat. The Country Popper looks like Pun Petty Pop, like confetti, but yeah.
Funfetti.
Uh-huh. Looks like a pea.
Oh, I don't know.
It
do you
doesn't
need,
look like a pea.
do you
Oh,
need
it could
the
be an F. I
glasses?
think that. I think the F is over the phone.
Well, that's why I'm off camera, because I don't like to wear glasses.
Oh my
Okay.
gosh, I've been wearing them since I was 10. They're not a curse, I'm telling you.
Oh,
Okay,
I
go
have
ahead.
never had to wear glasses, and now that I have
Well,
to
I
wear
have-
them, they just.
Oh, I've never had to wear them to see up close. I've had
Well,
to
I
wear them
was
to
gonna
see
say, I
a
don't-
distance.
I don't wear glasses.
You're the
I wear
opposite.
reading glasses.
Right, yes.
Because
And
my
I've had
phone
reading
is
to
too
my
little, and
report. But every now and then I can see it. Just, and actually, I hate to say this, but it actually depends on the time of day whether I can see or not. For
Oh,
example,
gosh.
today I can read all of this and I don't need glasses. I can even read the small little print in the back. So I don't know if it's based on something I've eaten. Like I had coffee and I had, what was that called? Bacon, egg, and cheese burrito, but I didn't have too much burrito because I fed it to the
bacon, egg, and cheese wrap from
okay.
Dunkin'.
But the burrito I gave.
Let's plug Dunkin' Donuts. Let's give
Who
them a
else
shout
does it?
out.
Who else does not get Dunkin' Donuts? I'm telling you right now.
I wanted coffee when I got off work this morning. I was like, oh, I can have coffee because I'm off tonight. So I was like, ooh, I'll get coffee. And then I wanted the wrap. And so I got one for me and one for you. It's perfect.
Right. And I do not drink Dunkin' coffee because
No,
I
because
don't
she's
like
not a fan of it. I, on
What are
the
you
other
looking
hand, am a huge fan of their iced coffee. Love it.
Well, the difference is that, what are you looking for? I'll help you.
My coffee. It's still over there. Okay.
So, do you need it?
No.
Okay.
I was just making sure.
So, the coffee that I like from Dunkin's is the pumpkin, which is a special time of the year, so it's not all the time.
holiday.
And the chocolate, which is called
Which one? The hot or the cold?
the hot. I don't like anything cold when it comes to coffee. It's a mocha something, but here's the problem. Starbucks calls it one thing. Dunkin' calls it one thing. Panera calls it one thing, and none of them call it the same thing, although it's the same exact drink.
And McDonald's used to have a version of it too.
And so my problem is that when I go to Dunkin', because it's the one that's closest to my house, the Dunkin' Donut place, I can't find it on the app in order to ask for it. And if I don't ask for the exact wording, those people have no clue.
Yeah, the
Which
one.
tells me they have no life outside of Dunkin' Donuts.
Now, don't be slamming it. I'm just boosting them, and now you're giving them a bad name.
I'm just being
So
realistic.
The
And y'all probably do the same thing.
anyway,
Waving her hand like this for me to shut up.
stop. Anyway, the drink you like is called a
Oh, now you're
cocoa mocha signature latte, which is made with espresso. Lattes are made with espresso.
okay. Well, espresso doesn't affect me.
Sure.
And neither does caffeination. Is that
Oh,
what it's called? Caffeination?
Caffeine.
Caffeine. Because I can drink a coffee, doesn't make any difference what size, and I can go to sleep in 5 minutes.
Not
It
me.
just doesn't
Shoo.
do that. It doesn't keep me awake. It doesn't do anything. So I don't have an
Coffee-
issue with that.
You're lucky. Coffee keeps me awake. I
Yeah,
cannot
no.
drink it before I go to bed. And
And-
today, when I got off work and I went to Dunkin', that's what's keeping me awake right now. Otherwise, I would be out.
Say, and there's times that I wished there was something that would keep me awake when I'm like super duper tired because I couldn't sleep the night before. I had stuff I was thinking about or things I were doing, and I only got 3 hours of sleep. It's like, if I could just get a coffee or something, but that doesn't work. It only makes me go to the bathroom. That's it. What the heck is that? Too much information. Everybody else my age, you understand. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, she's going to continue. She's going to talk about.
Back to the paper.
She's talking about the Creative Notions Facebook. All of
Right,
y'all
the
pay
Facebook
attention
group.
now, because this is very important with Creative Notions. Okay.
Says, did you know that if you join our Facebook group, Creative Notions Group, and show us what you've been making, you can win prizes and be made aware of contests and specials on our website. Be sure to answer all of the questions so we know you are a real person.
While you do that, I'm going to reach down and grab my dog and pick him up to show him, and then I'll pick yours up in a minute. Come here, Bandit, babe. Come here.
Box post winner. This is where you post a picture of your box when you receive it, being careful to hide your personal information. Go ahead.
There's Bandit. That's my boy.
Oh, you're going to show him mine, and he's going to look totally different.
Yes, he is. So,
Aw,
He needs a groom. Let's just put it that way right now. He needs to be
I
groomed.
picked up. I got to get Henry. Come here, Henry. Henry. Oh,
And he's a big boy, too.
And here's Henry, who needs his... He looks like the shaggy dog.
I know.
But
Or the thing from Neverending Story.
There you go. You're on the camera, bud. You're on the camera. Look,
You know,
look,
that
look.
little thing that flies around
And
in the
his
sky.
hair, as you can see, is in his eyes, but he will not let us clip them out of his eyes. So there's Henry. There
You're
he
a good
is.
boy, aren't you? Yes, you are.
And they are the exact same size. Exact. Same weight, same size. and
Oh,
everything.
is he?
One,
Okay,
yep,
'cause-
one just has a lot of hair, and
You know, because Megan's
one
like,
has left.
He's bigger than
No,
Bandit.
he's not bigger. They're
whatever.
even the same
He
height.
eats good.
Okay, back
Yes,
to
you
Sherry
do.
and her reading.
He eats so good. Yes, you do. Good boy.
Okay.
All right. The project winner is where you post a picture of any completed subscription box project, past or present.
Okay.
Oh, there's an idea. Anyway, a scrap winner is where you post a picture of anything you've made using scraps from any past or present box. A participation winner is where you post your quilting or sewing creations and have your project highlighted as the site header. The more, the merrier. Our June winners are the box post winner was Alice Janik. And again, I hope I'm pronouncing everybody's name correctly. Our project winner was Elena Cicada. Our scrap winner was Barbara Chapman. And our participation winner is Jean Thompson. Congratulations to all the June winners.
Ladies.
Yes. And at the very end of it, there's a little, what I would call a footnote. It says, attention, during the summer months, we are seldom in the office. The most effective way to contact us is via email, and we assure you that your message will receive prompt attention.
Now, if you want to give me the paper, I will take a shot of the very bottom so they have all the information here. So let me do that.
the
real quick.
email, the website.
There you go. If you need any of that information, you can stop the video and take a copy of it.
Take a screenshot.
Or a screenshot. All right, let me lay everything out, and then we can look at all of it. All right, here is everything that has come in the June box. Strawberry box, shoe fly box. Oops, almost got it tucked too deep so you can't even see it. Shoe fly, Garden Sunshine, Carol's box, all of her fabric, the grandma's spot remover. There is the April piece of fabric that was short. And then here is the rainbow burst and the Fanetti instead of Panetti popcorn. Okay, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. It doesn't cost you anything. Make a comment if you would like. And subscribe. I think I said subscribe already. I did it all. Like, comment, subscribe.
Yes.
Okay, everybody. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you watching my videos. I'm trying not to put any ads going forward, so you won't be having to stop for an ad. Let me know if you want ads, but so far I haven't put any in the wall. And thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it. Take care. Bye-bye. I missed y'all. Bye-bye.